Are you tired of your glueless wig sliding all the way around? This wig comes from Klaiyi Hair and it's a new style that they have supposed to take away from the worry of your wig slipping and sliding. They have added new features into their wig that I want to introduce you guys to today, because I really believe that this might be best game changer to a glueless wig. This wig today is a Yaki texture, very gorgeous. Link for it down in the description box for you guys. From September 8th through the 13th, you can get 25% off. If you want to catch that sale, it's happening right now. Everything you need to know in the description box. If you're new here, welcome. My name is Marie. If you're not new here, make sure your notifications are turned on. Leave me a comment and let's get into today's style. Today's wig comes from Klaiyi Hair. New wig from them. It's supposed to be a non-split wig, very popular right now with pre-cut lace. You can see for yourself that it is a beautiful soft Yaki. So this is what the wig cap construction looked like. It's a 7x5, and inside of here they have these grips that's supposed to keep your wig from sliding once you tighten the string all the way around the cap. They also added a comb in the back, and then they have this new strap. I've never seen one like this before, but it is attached inside the wig, so you cannot take it out. You can cut it out, but I wouldn't recommend that. But this is their new non-slip grip wig, and then they also added a drawstring. Now we all love the drawstring, so they got two different ways in here to keep your wig from sliding all over your head without any glue. So I'm just gonna put it on, and already the lace is cut, so I don't need to do that. It fits good around the ear. Right now it's loose because I haven't done anything to it. My head size is a medium and it fits pretty decent. There are some loose spots right now, but that's because I haven't tightened up the wig. So that lets me know if your head is a bit bigger than mine, then there is space in here for you. We're gonna test it out. Right now it's looking good straight out the box. The hair, everything is gorgeous. They do have different length options on the website. Like just with it sitting here, it's melting already, but let me show you how to adjust that strap. And it's almost like a bra strap. Open it and just pull until it gets to your head size. Shorten it down some. Look like it's just going to be comfortable. It's thin. It's not as thick as the older straps. Y'all know these that we take in and out all the time. Look at the comparison with it. See the comparison in the difference. Like this one is bulky. Sometimes I do have problems with these feeling uncomfortable on the sides of my head. So this is actually a great idea for comfort. So I'm just tightening about that much for me. That's what it looks like. So we're gonna work with that one first. Okay, just slide the wig over. Wow, that one alone by itself, snug. Oh wow. I don't even think I would need the drawstring. You can see how now the lace is look like it's in my skin. It does feel tight. The ear tab area from doing that and tightening, it's over my ear, but I have a bulge right here. So that's where the drawstring is going to come in handy, I believe. So what I'm gonna do next, that fit is crazy. So as you can see, we still have some flopping going on back here. Just take the drawstring, which is this one right here. Insert that comb under the wig cap first. And now we're going to pull this to tighten it. Yes, it does. It lays down the back. That is really, really good. Okay, so we're going to tighten that some more. So there is still a little bit of space in here for me. It's not problematic though. It doesn't feel super bulky. It definitely still lays flat. We are still glueless here, and you can see how tight that is. Look at that. I like that little strap. That's actually a great idea, and it's comfortable. So yeah, let's straighten up the hair a little bit and style it. I'm gonna add some layers to this. So you can also do a side part. Now, Yaki textures are great protective styles for fall. If you're ready to put your hair up and spin a 7x5 closure wig, you get a little bit more parting space. That gives you a little bit of versatility. And I think also adding some layers to the hair gives it a more realistic look. All right, so my concern right now for this hair is this area here. So that's why I'm going to go ahead and just flat iron it to get that really smooth look. Looks really good, as you can see. Look at the hair. You can see my temperature right there. Get all the little bends out the hair from it sitting in a box. This wig feels really secure on my head. Like that little bitty strap is so funny because when I first saw it, I felt like, oh, what is this gonna do? But that made a huge, it made more of a difference than the actual drawstring in the back of the wig. I agree with keeping that drawstring and comb in the back because even with that thinner strap, just using that alone, the back will flap. So since you have both of those back there, now you have an area back there that lays flat without bouncing around. And I'm just using a wax stick to, so far the hair is straightening out pretty good. I mean, it's getting all the bends out the hair. You can see for yourself that you can put heat on it, and it works pretty good. If you're noticing this area here, I think what's happening, because it wasn't like that before, I think what's happening is my cap is bulging just a little bit. So again, you want to make sure you don't pull too tight. I think I pulled this back area too tight. I did not need to adjust it super tight because I already have the hold. I just need it enough where this can lay flat. So I'm gonna loosen that up a little bit, because anytime you pull a string, what does it do? It causes bulge. So there we go, there we go. So that was a quick fix. This is the end result, y'all. I like this wig a lot. I love the new strap they added in there. It's very convenient. So let me give you guys my actual review on this from start to finish. Let's talk about the hair first. The hair itself is really pretty. It has a slight coarse feel, but it feels soft too. But it's not like that Yaki soft smooth. It has a little bit of texture, but it does not have kinks, and we don't want that anyway. It gives beautiful texture. Very easy to straighten it out. Talk about the hairline. The hairline looks so good. Definitely did their thing with the lace. The lace is not visible at all. Really like that. And the parting, everything looks good. They did bleach the knots. They did give you small knots in the parting so that they won't be like super visible. Now let's talk about the cap, because that's the main star of the show. I do love that strap so much that they added. The new one is so comfortable. I don't even feel that one. The way they positioned it and the construction of that strap just instantly grip that wig down to my head. Like as far as the cap itself, I do recommend that they offer this in different sizes, head sizes, because a lot of companies like to do the one size fit all, but when you have smaller heads and then you have large heads, it can be a little bit of an inconvenience to someone with a smaller head size. My head always been like a small medium, so I always have just a little bit of room. And I think right now, if this cap was in a small for me, it wouldn't be any bulging at all, and it would be perfect. So that's the one thing I would change. I would give this wig a true 9 out of 10, just because that strap alone did so much, and then the lace melted. The hair is gorgeous. I'll be sure to put this wig below in the description box. Right now they are having their sale, 25% off sale right now on their wigs. Check the link in the description box if you want to get that discount for sure. So it is their 8th anniversary. It's going to be from September 8th through the 13th. So make sure you don't miss that sale, because once it's gone, it's gone. But 25% off their wigs, or off this wig. It will be linked below. You can read the details in the link in the description box. So I will see you guys back in my next video. Thank you so much for joining me for today's video. Subscribe, like the video, leave me a comment.